Dear students, today I am going to start exercise 7.2 from question number 3. In question number 3, we are given ABC is an isosceles triangle. It means two sides of this triangle ABC are equal, and in which altitudes B, E and CF are drawn to parallel equal sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. We are given in triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to AC and BE and CF are altitudes. BE is altitude on side AC and CF is altitude on side AB. What are altitudes? Altitudes are perpendiculars from vertex to a line. Here we have drawn CF perpendicular altitude on side AB, and similarly BE is altitude on side AC. So what is given? We will write given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, BE is perpendicular or altitude on AC and CF is altitude on side AB. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that these two altitudes are equal. So we have to prove BE is equal to CF. Now we will write proof. How we are going to prove it? As ABC is an isosceles triangle, it is given in the question. Triangle and AB is equal to AC. We are given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and BE is perpendicular on AC and CF is perpendicular on AB. Now we will take the two triangles and we will make them congruent by some congruency criteria. So in triangle, we are taking triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Yes, in these two triangles, we have angle A common. So angle A is equal to angle A, which is common to both the triangles. Then we are given B, E and CF altitudes on these two sides AB and AC. Therefore, let this angle be 1 and this angle be 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, each 90 degree. Now we want one more condition to fulfill, that these two triangles are congruent. So next we are given these two sides AB and AC of triangle ABC equal. So we will write AB is equal to AC. It is given as triangle is isosceles. So our three conditions of congruency are completed. Therefore, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Now, which congruency criteria we have used here? Angle, and then side. So, by AAS congruency criteria, triangles are congruent. So if triangles are congruent, so you can say BE is equal to CF by CP CT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this we have to prove. So hence proved. Hence we have proved that altitudes are equal. Yes, in question number 4 we are given ABC is a triangle in which altitude DE and CF two sides AC and AB are equal. In this question, we are given that altitude CF and BE are equal in triangle ABC, and we have to prove that triangle ABE and triangle ACF are congruent to each other, and AB is equal to AC. It means ABC is an isosceles triangle. So what is given in this question? We will write given first. Given to prove is very important to write in each questions related to geometry, because it carries marks in the exam. So write what, and you have to write given and to prove from the information given in the question. So what is given? ABC is a triangle in which BE is perpendicular on AC and CF is perpendicular on AB. As I told you earlier, that perpendicular is the altitude is the perpendicular from vertex to opposite side. So we can say it is a perpendicular or altitude. So, and next we are given BE is equal to CF, means length of altitudes are equal. So what we have to prove? We have to prove first part is triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF, and second AB is equal to AC. That is, if AB is equal to AC, that is ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now we will prove first part. In first part, we will take these two triangles, triangle ABE and triangle ACF. ACF. In these two triangles, we are given BE is equal to CF. It is given to us. Length of perpendiculars are equal. So secondly, if CF is perpendicular on AB and BE is perpendicular on AC, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2, each 90 degree. Then angle A is common to both the triangles, so angle A is equal to angle A common. Now three conditions are satisfied to make these two triangles congruent. So here we have used which congruency criteria? That is angle, angle, then side. Then angle, angle, then side. So we will write by AAS congruency criteria. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. If now our first part is proved that both the triangles are congruent by AAS congruency criteria. Now in second part we will write AB is equal to AC. Why AB is equal to AC? By CP, CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So if AB is equal to AC, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So we have proved both the parts. Now our question number 3 and 4 is completed. We will start next question in the next video.